So your Bluetooth is not showing up on your PC or laptop? This is how you fix it. First things first, go to Device Manager, type on your Windows key right there, type in Device Manager, and this is how it should look like. From here now, simply click on the View options and show hidden files or hidden devices. Sometimes Bluetooth is just hiding around the corner. So if that doesn't work, click on Action, click on Add Legacy Hardware right there. In here, click on Next. Just keep clicking on Next until you find this one. So if Bluetooth is not going to be on this list, look for network adapters. Click on Next, and basically for this one, you should select a disk. On the left side, there should Bluetooth. And basically have this right there, click on Next, and click on Apply. Now if the problem still persists, and Bluetooth is not available, look for your airplane mode. If you're using a laptop, click on the Wi-Fi here, make sure you're not in airplane mode. Next up, this should be the last one. Click Command Prompt. Make sure this is running as an admin. In here, basically type the following code. That will be dash flush DNS. We're just flushing our hardware and software to make sure we're going to be having a reset on your system. And basically that should fix your problem.